Hi guys, I hope everyone is doing good. We only have 2 more weeks of school and we are done with all of this. You guys have done a great job and I'm really proud of you. Now, this week, we're gonna continue talking about light and sound. Remember, from what you read last week, if you haven't do the reading from the week, let me check over here, week 6 in science in Studies Weekly, do the reading, try to review a little bit, okay? But we've been talking about light and sound, sorry. And light and sound are other types of energy, as we saw in a couple weeks ago when we started talking about energy, okay? So definitely light, we talk about those that give us light, For example, I have over here a lamp, and throughout the house, I have, light bulbs and things to give me light. Even our phones, those of you that have phones or iPads, they come with the flashlights. With sound, right now, it's Sunday night and it's raining and I can hear the noise that the rain is making, that sound. Over here I have my bass and it makes a sound. And so all these vibrations, it's making a sound, okay? We hear noises. So that's energy as well. So it's really important because light and sound is, we need it in our daily lives. We need the light, so we can see where we're going. And the sound even gives us warnings. Today there were sirens going off, and it was the beginning of the seniors parade from Fremont High School. And it kind of like shook us off and scared us a little bit because we didn't know what was going on. But then when we saw everything, we noticed that the cops started turn on their siren, and it was the beginning of that parade. So it's amazing, how all this energy it's needed. This week, I'm gonna turn my camera so you can see the board. You're gonna go to the article Compare and Contrast in your Studies Weekly. And this is different, I put other stuff. But you're gonna see a chart just like this one with different objects. And each object, you need to classify it if it has light energy, so if it gives you light; heat energy, if it gives you warmth; sound energy, if you can hear it; or if it emits, if it gives you the light energy and the heat energy. Over here, let me erase water over here so we can let me see where I put my marker, and I put water down here. So if you think about it, boiling water, it gives us light? I don't think so, right? Does it give us heat? Yes. If you have a pot with boiling water and you carefully don't try this at home. If you carefully put your hand on top of the pot, you can feel the heat of that boiling water. So it gives you heat energy. Also, boiling, when the water is boiling, can we hear it? And yes, we will say that it has sound energy because when it's boiling, it's bubbling, and we can hear those bubbles. If you don't know about it, if you haven't heard that, and your mom or dad are cooking at home, making something that needs to boil, just watch and listen carefully for the noise that it makes. Okay. Also, the electric bass. This is my electric acoustic bass. And does it give light energy? I don't think so. Actually, I'm pretty sure there are some electric basses that you can, because they're plugged into an amplifier, a huge speaker, it receives electricity, and sometimes some bass players, they have lights on it. This one, no. I don't have that much money to do that. But does it give us heat? No. But it gives us sound. So let me mark it off over here. It gives us sound. And then a bonfire. A lot of you guys have a fire pit. So, you know, you put pieces of wood, you know, turn it on fire. And does it gives you light? Yes, it gives you light. And does it give you heat? Yes, it gives you heat. And does it can you hear it? If you know the fire, when it's burning the wood, you can see that you can not can see. You can hear the wood cracking. So it gives you sound. So I put it this way, you know, I mark light energy, heat energy, and sound energy. But you can also, to save some time, eliminate both. So I can't wait to see, you know, what you put. So click on the documents in Google Classroom and look at the list and just fill it up. Bye.